Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we have, again, another game on Crater.
Again, what the f***?
Yeah, it's on Crater again, but it's the only good map that I seem to get good footage on. I did play a couple other maps and did get some really lackluster footage, so I decided I'm going to use this one as much as I really wanted a different map. Once again, I would like to thank the amazing support both on the field, off the field, and in the comments as well as on my videos. I would like to thank every one of you for watching my videos and enjoying them. And I love making this content for people like me and people like you. With that said, I'm not going to keep you any longer. Enjoy the video.
Thank you.
And that's the end of this clip. I eventually called myself out because I didn't really want to be spawn camping a lot of the newer people who were at the field at the time. And honestly, that would just ruin their experience. So I decided the best thing for me to do, instead of me just sitting there until I get shot and killed, would have been just to call myself out so that they can still have a little bit of enjoyment, and the game was going to end anyways. So that's why I kind of stood there and, was calling myself out, just letting the ref know I'm not going to continue this, onslaught. But well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It took a little bit of time for me to create some new artwork for the guns effects inside. I would like to know if you guys like that, want to see more of it, or would you want it to be like smaller, not really part of the stuff. These are kind of some of the things I would love to see in the comments. So if you have any suggestions on what I should try next, or what I should do, or if you like something about my videos and you'd like to see more of it, those are kind of things I would love to see in the comments. So with that said, I'm not going to keep you in this video any longer. Peace out.